Hello everyone, my name is Nomaisara binti Nordin and my partner Zayani Zarli binti Zulkifli, and today we will be presenting on Prudential Financial and Knowledge Management Strategies. Today I will share an overview of Prudential Financial, focusing on its presence in Malaysia and the role of knowledge management and its success. Let's look for a company overview. Founded in 1875, Prudential Financial is a global leader in insurance and financial service, offering solutions for individuals, families, and business. Next, let's know about Prudential in Malaysia. Since expanding to Malaysia in 1924, Prudential has adapted to local needs, becoming a top insurance provider known for its customer focus. Let's move to the role of knowledge management. Knowledge management helps Prudential to stay competitive by improving decision making, adapting to market trends, and enhance customer certifications. Okay, now let's move to milestone in Prudential knowledge management. Prudential has achieved significant milestone in knowledge management that drive its success and global operation. First, global KM system. The company developed a global knowledge management system. This system allows different offices worldwide to share knowledge and best practice, ensuring everyone to stay connected. Third, technology tools. Next, Prudential use advanced tools like SharePoint and Salesforce. This will make it easier for teams to collaborate, share information, and work efficiently no matter where they are. Pandemic adaptations. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Prudential adapted its knowledge management practice to keep everything running smooth. They ensure employees to stay connected and customers continue receiving support even during the difficult times. Now let's move to success factor. Prudential's success in knowledge management is driven by three factors. First one is process automation. Automation tools like Tower help simplify workflow, making internal process faster and more efficient. Second one is structure framework. Organized framework ensure knowledge is well structured and easy to access, supporting better operating and decision making. Third one is employee empowerment. Prudential promotes continuous learning and values employee input. This approach drives innovation and improves service delivery. These success factors are the backbone of Prudential's achievement in knowledge management.
My name is Zayani Zarli and I will explain about the benefit of Prudential Financial Knowledge Management Strategy. The first one is Centralized Knowledge Hub. The very foundation of Prudential's knowledge management strategy is the understanding that knowledge is one of the biggest assets an organization can have. With that being said, externalization of regular collections, exchange and use of knowledge improve internal process and client service at Prudential. Among the significant advantages resulting from Prudential knowledge management technique, the guarantee of a centralized knowledge repository allowing the sharing of all essential information, best practice, and lessons learned in the past is carried on with business division. As for the second one, there is collaborative culture. The eagerness and attention put by Prudential Financial in sharing information within the organization has created an environment and culture to work cooperatively together and continuous learning among the employee. When employees are allowed to express their own vision and opinion, there might be changes where new ideas will be able to bloom. Thus, it is important to promote this kind of culture and environment as it will lead to a more effective service from the organization, and in return, users will be able to receive service according to their needs and desire. As for the third one is regulatory compliance. Every organization in this highly regulates financial industry must be able to deal with the most complicated legal and regulatory requirements. Prudential maintains compliance through having its staff educated on industry standards, which are controlled in one central library for policies, processes, and regulatory requirements. In this manner, knowledge management is proactive, which lessens the risk of non-compliance and financial and reputational harm it as it lists. The next one is challenges faced by Prudential Financial. The first one is resistance to change. One of the biggest challenges that Prudential has to deal with is the resistance of people to change. Most major organizations, including Prudential Financial, have their own work culture, which includes its daily routine and procedure. People that are not used to the current trends are unlikely to open up to to new workflow or technologies that may involve a knowledge management project. Thus, inability or unwillingness to share knowledge or doubt on the benefit of KM are some examples of such resistance. The problem can be solved if the leadership of Prudential takes the initiative in communicating the core of knowledge management with employees. The second one is data quality issue. The presence of numerous sources will lead to inevitable inconsistency errors and information silo, which will subvert any effectiveness in the knowledge management effort. Prudential should invest in robust data governance framework setting standard on how data access, integration, and quality are supposed to be executed. For the third one is measuring KM success. There is another obstacle that needs to be faced by Prudential Financial, which involves the need to measure the success of the KM implementation within the organization. Even though the response from the process applied might be great, it could still be hard to find out the impact it has made to the organization, performance, or knowledge management. As a result, the organization itself needs to step up and set a benchmark and create a continuous assessment from the employee. And the last one is integration of new technologies. With rapid investment in technology, Prudential faced the challenge of integrating new tools like AI, which is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain into its existing KM system. And then we have the future plan for Prudential Financial. The first one is AI and ML integration. In Malaysia, for an experimental KM framework, the company is now in the process of implementing AI and ML to make customer needs forecast and the company service improve. For example, AI application in analytical transformation could help Prudential Malaysia monitor the performance, inclination, and attitude of customer, which in turn provide payment insurance solution based on the customer profile. And for the second one is blockchain utilization. Prudential Malaysia, with the help of blockchain, can guarantee that key information about their customer is shared responsibly and important transactions are visible across agents and teams, all the while avoiding fraudulent activity. It is also evident that through the use of blockchain, Prudential will be able to handle policy, documentation, and our claims effortlessly and securely because of its tamper-proof properties. And for the third one is educational partnership. Collaborating with university to drive innovation and manage new market opportunity with advanced knowledge solution is one of Prudential Financial future plans. And for the number 4, continuous learnings and development. As digital tools evolve in this new era, Prudential will need to continuously invest in employee training to ensure they remain proficient in using this new technology.
Okay, to conclude, here are the 3 takeaways about the Prudential knowledge management strategies. The first one is key points: operational efficiency. Prudential KM strategies has made the internal process smoother, improved customer service, and to ensure compliance. The second one is technological advancements. The company is planning to use advanced technologies like AI and blockchains to keep improving. The third one is sustained competitiveness by having strong KM system. Prudential stay ahead a fast-changing global market. In short, Prudential's focus on knowledge management helps improve efficiency, innovate with technology, and remain competitive globally. Thank you. That's all for now.